Hey hookers, welcome back to the Naughty Hooker. We are here for another quick intro to crochet tutorial on the double crochet stitch. So grab your hook and your yarn, let's get started. We're going to start with the slip knot. So take the tail end of your yarn, wrap it around your finger 2 times. Take that first loop, put it over the second one. Take the second loop, put it over the first and all the way off your finger. I should have left my tail a little longer, but it'll work. Insert your hook and pull that tight. And we're going to chain 10 so that we have something to work with. So you're going to take the tail of your yarn, wrap it around the hook from the back. That's a yarn over. And pull through the loop on your hook. So that's 1. Take that tail, wrap it around your hook, pull through the loop. That's 2. And keep going until you have 10. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for the double crochet, because it's a little bit taller stitch, on the ends of your rows you're going to chain 3, and that'll make your stitches the right height. So we're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. So now to start your first double crochet, you're going to yarn over, and we're going to insert the hook into the 4th chain from the hook. So you don't want to count the loop that's already on your hook. You want to start your count from there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to insert 1, 2, 3, 4 into that one. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's 1 double crochet. So again, we're going to do that real slow. You're going to yarn over, just take the tail of your yarn, wrap it around the hook from the back to the front. Insert your hook into the next chain in your foundation. And you're going to take the tail of your yarn, wrap it around the hook again from back to front. Pull that through the first loop, and you should have 3 loops on your hook. And now you're going to yarn over from the back to the front of the hook again, and you're going to pull through just two of the loops on your hook. So you should still have 2 loops on your hook, and you're going to take the yarn and wrap it around the hook again from the back to the front, and you're going to pull through those last 2. So now you've got 2 double crochet, and you're going to keep doing that all the way to the end of the row. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through just 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. There's 3. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so we have 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, at the end of your row, in order to make sure that the edges of your row are even and work up to the height of the stitch for the next row, you're going to chain 3. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. And now you're going to turn your work around. So just flip it and pull that tail behind. So you can see the last crochet, the last double crochet that we did was right here. And when we start our first double crochet of this row, this chain that we did is going to count as the first double crochet. So we're actually not going to crochet in that first stitch here. We're going to do this crochet into the second one. So it'll be the 4th braid from your hook. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and keep going all the way across. Last stitch for this row, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we've got our second row of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this 10th one is that chain 3 that we started with. So again, to turn, you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn it around. And insert into the 4th chain or 4th little braid from the hook. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. Should have 3 on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is the double crochet. See you next time.